Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix brightness control not working in Windows 11 after update. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, Win and B keys. Refresh display. Second method is update display adapter. Third method is rollback display adapter driver. Fourth method is update Windows. Fifth method is system restore. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.